Do you want to see your GMC like this GMC where the products are active, where the spend is going on from a GMC like this where you see that your ads are not running, your products are not approved, or you see it from like this where they ask you that your GMC Google Merchant Center is suspended for misrepresentation, website or online store needs improvement, false statement, other issues, or even personalized advertising or any other issue, then watch this video in full, because in this video I'm going to discuss regarding one such case. So let's get started first with the website. Now this is the website. You can see over here that they're promoting stainless steel coffee capsules. You can see over here. Now with this you may see the health issue as well that may come, or misrepresentation, or website online store needs improvement. Sometimes the false statement error has come as because been sorting out from years and have experienced this error as well. Now whenever there is an error like this, we have so far developed a 160 plus checklist, which we ensure for the compliance. We have learned that after sorting out hundreds of Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads suspensions, Google Merchant Center suspension, Google Business Profile suspensions, what is actually Google looking in your website. So let's get started on how we sorted out this and how we are helping the clients to get their Google Merchant Center approval. Sometimes what people do is they do not look around. We even look for the small to small thing as well. That even your email is working or not, even your phone call, even your newsletter, even a smallest slightest mistake. We also look around for that as well. Sometimes they are many payment logos shown in the footer, but in reality when you do the checkout, number of payment methods are not available as those. Sometimes there is a conflict of shipping policies page on your website and on the Google GMC. So there are so many errors. Sometimes the plagiarism is the biggest issue, the wrong image, or sometimes even Google has wrongly labeled your website for misrepresentation or suspension. However, that is working perfectly fine. However, when it comes into the radar, the Google may look for the smallest to smallest detail to see if that is wrong, the website will not be approved. So in case if your Merchant Center account gets suspended, you have to be very, very cautious and look for even the tiny and the small detail to get your approval on the Google Merchant Center. You can see over here now, this is the website. You can see over here text included, shipping included, the payment methods shown over here are the included. When they do the checkout, the setup, premium setup, everything original, nothing is issues on the website, broker links, even the errors on your search console. Guys, you need to look for your search console. The errors on your search console needed to be sorted out. The errors on your GMC needed to be sorted out. Your store quality, business info, shipping, return, plus so many things to look around, and plus me and my team work simultaneously through the dedicated Google support to see what error they are triggering, which is causing the suspension. Now I'm going to show you few of the reports which my and my team did, so you get an idea on what happened. And you can see over here that this is one of the first audit which we did. And in the first, you can see over here that there were two separate contact pages being found. So you can see over here that how come there are two contact pages of a single website. This can cause misrepresentation. So Google is very concerned. We recommended adding company name, company number, VAT number, phone number, addresses. Information need to be clickable. Separate pages of return, refund, disclaimer, payment policy. Do not sell my page. Even the tracking page need to be working well. Fact, UI, UX, even the website speed matters a lot. About us, fact pages, header need to be big, testimonials are recommended. Now placeholder, you can see over here that there is a placeholder issue over here. Now what is a placeholder? Placeholder is a coding error. You can find this the theme plugin or a contact form or anywhere on the website. Usually it's on the contact forms or in the plugins or in the theme, this error. And this error actually do not allow your GMC to get approved. Google do not allow a website with placeholders to run Google Merchant Center stores. I don't know why, but they have a policy for this. So we look for that as well. The favicon is a recommendation. Favicon is a small icon. You can see over here that this is a word icon. Now this is a favicon. So website favicon should be a preferred option as well. So with this, we recommended further information. We also suggested smaller things. We also suggested proper formatting, SEO note, vision, some journey, shipping page, some optimization for other pages, some optimization for refund policy pages. The email need to be clickable. The phone number you can see over here. Placeholders were being found at the end of the page. We recommended the place as well where you need to add those, so the client knows where all of this information need to be added. We further recommended the website speed need to be improved. Then we discovered some dead links as well, some products in all categories. So you can see over here, so this is not allowed, that you are showing the same category and having multiple, the same product in multiple categories. This also creates confusion. The Google do not allow this. Contains B seller, contains all these products, that is also wrong. It's the same products, the products are same. So if it's a number of set, you can have as an option in a same product with a different option over here. I'm going to show you back over here. Like this is a different set. So previously the starter set was a separate product, the premium set was a separate product, and this also caused confusion. So Google do not even allow these, even the small errors as well. Now the social media also needed to be verified as well. So the people says that, what do you mean by social media? So usually they recommend a professional websites have social media channels, and social media have active engagements, and all of the channels should have active even the email address on the social media page and on the website should be the same, and that too from your domain. So you can see that similarity is being required. More engagement on social media channels, likes, posts, and comment. You are not like you're creating a social media page just for Google GMC approval, but instead you have to create for your own customers. With the customers, when they see your products on social media, they get more trust for your website. So Google actually wants to build customer trust for your website, which is a very essential way to win customers as well. So Google actually helping you out. When you solve these errors, you get more trust in the eyes of customer, and you get more sales. So Google is actually helping you when you sort out these issues on your website. So this was the first audit, and apart from this, I'm going to show you few of the glimpse of the error as well. You can see over here that this was needed to be removed. Small errors, small minor changes. Then a chat was being done with the Google support as well. You can see over here the Google automated systems caught this error. The support was like, we are going to get to the dedicated team. You can see over here the case account is handled by the colleague. There is another team working on it. There were multiple disapprovals. You can see over here that another because we are managing multiple accounts. You can see over here that the multiple request was being done over here. So apart from this, you can see over here and the chat, and this is not the main thing. There were so many things. I'm just going to show you the major things, important things as well, just to give you an idea of what was being done. Now this is another audit, and you can see over here that small things, small minimal changes needed to add. Fact, the contact us page is not clickable, that need to be added. We even look at website for malware, error, or viruses as well, because we do not want to compromise the slightest things as well. So you can see over here shipping changes, product page change, some payment policy page was missing, another dead link was over there which needed to be sorted out. So another audit, now because multiple people are doing audit, so this is not a single staff, but multiple staff are doing different audit, because we think that every person thinks differently. So sometimes think may be ignored by the other person can catch that. So we have a policy of that. So you can see over here, improve header size, banner image. Also, some small changes, some adding testimonials, pages were not. Google My Business Listings was not found. It is also being recommended to have your own Google Business Listing Store. Google Business Listing Store is also another important aspect. And some recommendations for footer. Information need to be clickable. We suggested adding the proper address, a proper phone number, so make it a more professional thing. Minor changes, VAT number, other information, business information. Sometimes the shipping policies happen is that the customer gets confused on it. So we suggesting highlighting the number of days and hours you provide the service, support service. So you do have a clear cut idea. Consumer has a offer your return policy. You can see over here, can I cancel or modify my order? So orders can be cancelled or modified within 24 hours of placement. So contact our customer support for assistance. So need to be clickable. Other information. Why UK when you are delivering in USA? So why you are adding EU and UK customers? So you can see it as small things, makes matter a lot with the Google. Countries we ship to, when you say countries we ship to is only United States, then why you are writing the policy for EU and UK customers? You are not shipping to them. Why you are writing it? So small mistakes creates confusions. Even the majority of the people do not know of this. That is why you need to hire a team like us to sort out all of these errors. So you can see over here, minor changes. Again, European Union, 14 days cooling off period. Again, why you are adding European Union over here. So placeholder, founder of Judge Me. Judge Me is an app in Shopify. So be it Shopify, be it WordPress, we can sort out all of these errors. Plagiarism is still over there. Plagiarism is another very important. You need to use unique content with high quality images, no replica or counterfeit products on your website as well. So these are the few of the standard policies, which people have to maintain. Now, multiple audits, multiple things, smaller body, add more content, more things, small things, being recommended all the time over here. I'm showing you another audit, small audits, small things. It's gonna take hours and hours to see, the small things, which people are forgetting. My team is working and sorting out all of those for you, all of these things as well. Even the view checkout procedure, multiple times being done, multiple devices are being used to ensure the compliance. And also we do the comparator analysis. Sometimes the comparator analysis is required to see what kind of other websites are running, their policies, their fact page, how they are getting approved. So we do the comparison of thorough research. We see over here, we see the errors in them, we see the possible things, and we compare our website with those to see how our website is working, where our website is not compliant or is lacking services. You can see over here, small to small things, even the shopping policies days. So this also helps you to increase your sales, and you get more customers. So this is not only a GMC Google Merchant Center approval service, but a complete package to help or double or multiply your sales, as being shown over here. Now after all these, we get to see our GMC getting approved. As I show you, I'm going to show you live again as well. So what we did was, after sorting out all these, after discussing with the Google team, we asked for a review. Sometimes the review is not always necessary. Sometimes even the wider support can approve the account, but sometimes we have to take the review. So either of the option can be a possibility. Again, vary from client to client. So you can see over here that the review of misrepresentation for Eco Karma is complete. Dear Merchant Center, the requested review of Merchant Center has been completed and the issue no longer appears on your account. So you can see that the GMC is now finally approved. So I'm going to show you by doing a fresh rescan. So you can see over here that it is being approved. So you can see approved ads running over here. Nothing is limited or not approved. If you go into the product section, so also we also provided them with another GMC account. So we also have our agency approved GMC accounts. In case if you need that, we can help you out. But either way, you need to have your website being compliant, which is a very important aspect of running on Google Merchant Center or running your shopping ads. So just for a revision, this is a successful case study. In case if you need help with Google Merchant Center approvals, in case if you need help with Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads suspensions, Google Ads management, or shopping ads management, or even service with a landing page development, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So yeah, just for a revision, in case if you need help, we are a Google partner company and can help you like this. We have sorted hundreds of cases. So yeah, we're looking forward to working with you. Do hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care, and lastly, do subscribe to our channel as well. Take care and bye bye.